In this video, we'll talk about how to send big files with Outlook. Now, notice my choice of word talk about because the reason that you're obviously here is because you're trying to send a file and Outlook is giving you a warning that is saying this file is too big to be sent. And honestly, I don't want to waste your time. There's no direct way to send it. So your only option is to use a cloud storage like Google Drive, OneDrive, so forth, and create a link. You can use Mega even, that's a good one. Create a link and then just email that person that link. So if you're a Google Drive user, I'll show you right now how to do that because I use Google Drive just in case you don't know how. So all you need to do is just drag and drop whatever file you want into your Google Drive folder. And then on that document, there's one more thing that you need to do. And that's click on these three dots on the right of your file. You're then going to click on share. And now you can add people that can access this file. Or you can just click on here where it says general access. And you can change it to anyone with the link. And then you can just copy the link. And then, of course, paste it into your email. And that is the best way to go, especially since if you're using Google Drive, you get a free, I think it's like 25 gigs or something. If you're using a Apple device, you get free storage, so it's not going to cost you anything. And you'll easily be able to send very large files to whoever needs access to them. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped for those who didn't think about this way of doing things. And if you want more helpful tips, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and catch me in the next video.